Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Friday, April the 21st. It's about 6:20 Central Standard Time. So let's get started. You can see after we got reached our high yesterday of 58.25, we just pretty much consolidated in the short range right here. And looks like we opened up last night at 52.75, overnight low 51.75, and then overnight high 56, and we've just consolidated in this range from 56 to the open overnight pretty much. So let's talk about today. If this move continues to the upside, and we need to take into consideration market profile today as we're approaching this 58.60 level right here, and how we're going to push on up through to this next 70 level. We have a good zone here at 64, but it's going to be some trouble getting through this area after we get through 58 up in here from this 60 to move a break above here. Unless the buyer's just really tired of this, step in and the market takes a big push to the upside today. So what will happen is we're looking initially to retest yesterday's high at 58.25. Look for again a retest of this structure right here, possibly right back down to this 56 right in here, and then push right on up. We have to drive through this 60 area, probably come back and test the 58 right here, and then drive straight up. We have to do this. There could be some trouble. There could be some consolidation in here, but we've got to drive up into this zone initially. Look for a pullback, and it may even pull all the way back here. So be prepared for that as it continues to try to fight through this area, okay? But if we can get up to this 62.75, look for it to go ahead and move on up, 65, 66, but pain's not over yet. We'll get a pullback, possibly the bottom of this zone, maybe 62, then look for it to drive all the way up to this next zone. Now we have to get through 70. That's the key area. If we can get through 70 and push up to here, then look for this to come back and test here up to a 73, 75, somewhere in there, pull back to around that 2370 area, okay, and hold it and then drive on up. Then we could be on up to our next zone at 82. It's going to be a tough day. It's Friday to get through all this. Now, to the downside, oops. If we come right down through here, and if we fail the overnight low of 51.75 and push down below this zone, look for the retest of the open and the this overnight low right in here, and then look for the move down to this next zone down here to 44 area. Okay, at 44 area, maybe a retest. They might take this initial bounce, a good support, and run it right back up into here and just consolidate. Okay, be prepared for that as well. Now, if we come back up and we fail somewhere around 46, 47, and we can come back down and close down and hit this next zone, just look for us to come all the way down, test yesterday's open and yesterday's low. Okay, this 34, 33 area. Okay, use this for major support right here and look for the bounce all the way up. Okay, so we can just kind of drift our way down here this morning, whiffed our way right back up, and ended up right here today. All right, so let's take a look at market profile. And here we are, same thing we've been talking about, but look, this time we bounced off of that 38.2 retracement again, stayed up here, pulled back just a little bit, and then we're lifting off right here at 51, and then moving right on up. Okay, you see where we opened up here. Now we're moving up into that 62 area. This is going to be a hard zone. This 10-point zone that we just talked about. To get up to there, we've got to close above it. There's that 74 level. Pulling back into this and holding. We've got to hold this 69, 70 area right in here in order for us to get up in here and get to this 82 and close above it. Then we have zones at 91 and on up. Again, if this comes up, it looks like we broke the trend. If we can hold this and not come back through, but if we come back through, break down below here, where we're coming back to the 22 area, 32 first. Okay, this 32 first, 34 right where the bottom is here, and then down into here. Possibly a move down to the 23.13, but it's getting less likely that we're going to head down there, but that doesn't mean we won't. This market is full of surprises. It's Friday. If you have any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com. Have a great day.